this bicycle rickshaw what you are looking over here with 3 wheels, this is playing an important role in this old city as a main transportation system, because the city itself is very tight and very congested, where some of the lanes and alley are truly very narrow. Here the cars and vehicles cannot go there. So this is the main transport system in the old city, where this bicycle rickshaw is not allowed in the New Delhi area, because this is also a excuse me this rickshaws is also a cause for traffic jams problem. So due to the traffic jams problem, this bicycle rickshaw is not allowed in New Delhi area, but as this is very important in old Delhi, that's why this is allowed here. And locally people, they are also having a fun for this bicycle rickshaw, and whatever local people come to work here, or they have their like a business here, they just come here to park their vehicle in the parking. From here they just hire a rickshaw to go to their destination inside the old city. So right now in this old city we are going to see the mosque. This is the largest mosque of the India, where the name of it is Jama Masjid, the 350 years old mosque from the period of the Mughal Empire, and it's very superb and great architecture building in a typical Mughal architecture, where the Mughal architecture based on Indo-Persian, that means combination, a fusion of Indian and the Islamic Persian influence. There is some kind of restriction which we need to follow before to go into the mosque, because the mosque, it is an active mosque where every day 5 times prayer held in this mosque. So due to the respect, the mosque people is going to provide a robe for the ladies of you. Please don't mind that is mandatory for you to wear it. Secondly, it's free, there is no charge to visit it, but if you are interested to use your camera for the photography of this mosque, including with a mobile camera, you have to pay for it. And the camera fee is 300 rupees per camera. That's you need to pay.
It's for the inside or also for the outside?
Only for inside.
Okay.
Outside you can use it. Outside you can use it. And